Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this today's video, we will be looking at arithmetic operators in Kotlin and how you can use them in your code. So in Kotlin, arithmetic operators are used to perform simple mathematical problems like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and modulus. So these operators are similar to what we use in other programming languages. So let's go over each one of them. So first I'll be talking about the addition and subtraction, and for that I'm going to create two variables here and I'm going to assign them integer type value. Okay, so here I will print a message with the expression. So first we'll look into the addition operator. So I'll create a expression here which will use to add the value of these two variables. Okay, I'm going to duplicate this one and I'm going to print the subtraction message here, and for that I'm going to use the subtract operator. So here it will add the value of uh, a variable with b variable and it will give us the sum of these two variables and it is going to be 15. Same here, we will minus the value of b variable from a variable and it will give us the output 5. So let's run this to see. Okay, as you can see, it has given us the same output that we expected. So now let's look at the other two operators. One is multiplication and the other one is division. And for that, I'm going to change the message here. And I'm going to change the plus operator with the steric operator here, which basically used as a multiplication operator. And for division, I am going to change this operator to division operator here. So here it will multiply the value of a variable with b variable value and it will give us the output 50 here. And here it will divide the value of a variable with b variable and it will give us the output 2 here. So let's run this to see. Okay, as you can see, it has given us the same output as we expected. So now I'll look into the modulus operator, which gives us the remainder. So let's see this through an example here. I'm going to remove this line and I'll change the message to modulus here, and we will change the operator with modulus here. So the modulus operator, which basically is a percentage operator, it gives us the remainder after division. So if we uh, calculate the remainder of this, so it will give us the remainder 0 here. Okay, so in this case, as you can see, 10 has been divided by 5 and it has no remainder here, so the result is 0 because it has completely divided this value of a variable, so it will give us the remainder 0 here. So let's run to see. Okay, as you can see, it has given us the 0 value. What if I change the value to 11 here? So it will give me a remainder 1 here. So let's run this to see. Okay, as you can see, it has given me remainder 1. So in Kotlin, basically it follows the order of operations just like in mathematics. So for example, it calculates the multiplication and divisions first and then the addition and subtraction. So let's see this through an example here, and I'm going to create a variable here and I'm going to create the variable values as well. So I'm going to give the value a and b to 5. Okay, so what it is going to print here, so we will see here it will evaluate the multiplication operator first and the division operator first and then the addition and subtraction operator. So for that, here it will calculate 10 plus 5 multiply 2 minus 4 divided 2. So it will give us 10 plus, first it will evaluate this one and it will give me 10 value, and then it give me it will evaluate this one and it will give me 2 here. Okay, so again now it will calculate the plus and minus and it will give me the output 18 here. Okay, so let's run this to see. Okay, as you can see it has given us the same output. So, and that's it for today's video. Now you know how to use arithmetic operators in Kotlin, so don't forget to practice with these operators in your own projects. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Kotlin tutorials. So see you in the next video.